Welcome back to my channel. My name is Johnny Blue Eyes. I'm also known on TikTok as Johnny Blue Eyes. Over the past few months, I've built up over 100,000 followers. I've helped people to be very successful on TikTok. And today I want to address a topic that comes recurring. It's a topic that people come to me and say, Jonathan, I have a difficulty with this. I have a difficulty with going on live sessions. And I feel this is something I need to talk about because a lot of people are lacking confidence to do so, especially for the first few sessions. The good news about doing live sessions is the more you do them, the more confident you're gonna become, and the less dead air or nervousness you're gonna have about doing them. So today I want to talk about live sessions, specifically mindset you need to be in before you do those live sessions to have the best experience and so that you can keep going. I also want to talk about, as I'm talking about the mindset, I'm going to talk about certain tools or certain things you can do prior and during the live session that will help you to build up this confidence, and that will make those live sessions very comfortable, both for yourself mainly and most importantly, but also for your user on the other end of the camera. So let's talk about the mindset first. Mindset is very important when it comes to your self-confidence. So things you can do in order for you to be more comfortable are, first thing, setting. It's very important that you put yourself into a setting that will avoid any sorts of distraction, especially for the first few lives. And what I mean, why I say this is because distraction will move your attention away from doing a live session and whatever, flow you're into and break it. And that's going to be detrimental to your confidence level. And once you lose that confidence, once you lose that flow, it's really hard to build back again. And there's always going to be that awkward dead air moment. And that will happen. That's what you need to get ready for. The tool that I use for those dead air moments is I very often, especially when I haven't done a live for quite some time, I build up a little agenda of topics that I'd like to talk about. Now, I've showed it quickly because that's a highlight for this video here, but it's super important to, especially for the first few times that you're going to do those videos, to sit down and think about what are you going to talk about during those dead air time, where nobody talks, where you don't talk, and there's no comments in the comment section. So a couple items that I'm going to give you that's going to build up your confidence is think about a topic that you're passionate about. Why I'm saying something that you're passionate about is that let's think about one of those topics, right? So right now, I want you to think about a topic that you're very passionate and knowledgeable, and you'll feel immediately this confidence in this topic. You'll feel the ability for you to go to talk to anybody about it. And that's the mindset you want it to be in, is that you can go and be in front of the camera and talk about this passion that you have. It could be, and give you a few examples, it could be things about sports. It could be about politics, it could be about crafts, it could be about business, it could be about family, it could be about absolutely anything that you're passionate about. Now, you might think, yeah, but what if people that are watching me don't like this topic? Well, here's the good news. If they don't like what they're hearing, they're simply gonna leave. There's enough live sessions on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram or whatever platform you're using to do your live. There's enough sessions that they'll simply skip and they'll go somewhere else. And especially on TikTok, it's true. The reason why I'm saying that specifically for TikTok is that the way we consume things on TikTok, the way we consume videos, is anywhere between 15 seconds to a minute at a time. Our attention span on TikTok is very low. And so if someone doesn't like what you're seeing in their life, they're simply going to flip and go to the next one. So what you're going to build over time is people that are like-minded, that like what you do and that like your passion, and they're just simply going to follow you. They're going to become your fan. They're going to know you as a person on the other side of the camera, not just in front of the videos that they see on your profile. And that's also going to be good for you to build up your niche, right? So this mindset of being confident in front of the camera is the key for absolutely everything. What did we talk so far about? We talked about building a little bit of an agenda with topics that you can basically reference to when there's dead air. That's what's gonna build your confidence. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is how do you kick off a live session? This is probably, of all of the sessions that I've done, the moment that is slightly awkward. How do you kick it off? There's multiple ways you can do it. My preferred way might not be yours. Your preferred way might be, hey, I'm just gonna pick one other topic and I'm just gonna start talking without people being there. If they join, they can stay. If they don't want to stay, they can leave. And that might be your way. My way personally is I like to greet people. One of my passion is traveling. So what I do is I greet people by their username. Hey, say hi, where are you from? And if I see someone that comes in and says, hey, I'm from Poland, for example, well, I know right away because I've been to Poland, I can talk about my trips in Krakow or Warsaw, and I can speak about the food that was there. I'm also passionate about food, so happens that I love pierogies. You know what I mean, right? You can start to talk about something that links back that person back to you. And then I move on, sometimes because people are sending me a comment, I move on to certain things that I'm knowledgeable about. That's how I kick it off. I can speak about the weather, you can speak about absolutely anything. Back to the mindset. Very important that you just be confident. The truth is that there's 2 billion people on this app, on TikTok specifically. There's gonna be someone that's gonna come in and like what you look like and what you talk about. So I'm hoping that this was useful to you. If you like what you've seen, if you have feedback, please leave some comments below for my content. I feed off the feedback, the comments that you leave below. So if there's any question that you have, please leave them and I will respond to them. The best gift that you can give me for those YouTube videos is simply subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for listening, and I'm hoping you have a great day.